Hello everyone and welcome to Gruppe Sechs tutorials. In this episode we're going to be showing you how you can successfully verify yourself in any server which is protected by Gruppe Sechs security. First off, you need to join a server, like so, and immediately you should be given the unverified role and a DM from the bot. It will give you a small bit of information, and in a code box down below the command you have to enter into the hashtag verify channel. Simply highlight the command, copy it, then go back to the server you just joined, go to the verified channel, hit paste, and let the bot do its magic. Your message should be deleted, you should be verified, and the bot should give you a DM giving you further information on how you can traverse your journey. If this is not the case and you've been given an error, simply rejoin the server and should everything work. If this isn't the case, you can simply join the support server at G6!support and we'll give you further assistance. Thank you for watching.